factor tree of 40. So 40, it can be written as 2 times 20 is equal to 40. So again 20, it is 2 times 10 is equal to 20. So 10, it can be written as 2 times 5, it is 10. So now we have to select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers we have is 2, 2, 2 and 5. So we can write 40 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.